Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your Wix website builder. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a contact form to your Wix website builder? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a contact form to your Wix website builder anyway? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to gather your client's information, and a contact form is an easy way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wix account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I've already logged into my Wix account, and this is the home screen that shows all of the websites that you have with Wix. So in order to add a contact form, first you need to choose the website. So I just have two. I'm going to choose this one. If you don't see this page for some reason, don't worry. Just click on this all sites button here on the top left, and then you'll see a drop down with all of your websites, and then just choose the website. I'm going to choose this one. Once you do that, you will be in the dashboard for that one particular website. And in order to add a contact form into your website, click on this blue button here on the top right called Edit Site. Okay, guys, so here is where you can go ahead and add a contact form into your Wix website. So this is the Wix editor. So first of all, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to choose the page that you're going to add the contact form to. So first on the top left here, choose the page by clicking on this little arrow. Okay, right here, you're going to see the site pages. So go ahead and just choose the page that you want to add a contact form to. Okay, I went ahead and chose the page. And as you can see here, there is no contact form. So what we're going to do next in order to add that contact form is you want to click on this little plus icon here on the top left. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down menu here, and then look for this line right here called contact forms. And then here to the right of it, you're going to click on the type of form that you want to add. So the cool thing about Wix website is they actually have a lot of different forms you can choose from. If you just want a typical contact form, click right here. And then as you can see, there's actually 4 different contact forms that are pre-designed. So look through and see which one applies to you. So my website on Wix is actually green, so I'm not going to choose the green one. I kind of like this red one. So once you've chosen, all you're going to do is long press it, and then you're just going to drag it over, as you can see, and then just drag it to where you want it to post. So you see that kind of purple line that pops up? That's where your contact form is going to drop. So I like mine right there. And then we're going to let go of the drag feature. All right, now it's adding it in. Okay, now we have added a contact form into our Wix website. Looks kind of funky, but you can go ahead and move these blocks around. Now, as you can see right here on the contact form, it has the star. That means the user is required to put that in order to submit the form. Also, it asks for the first, last name, email, address, phone number, and then additional information. You may not need all that information, so you can kind of trim that down by clicking on Edit Form. Okay, so here are the fields that are required. You can see those are kind of gray, and then these ones are more black. They're darker. That means that they have not been added in. If they're light gray like this one, that means they have added it in. So for example, if I want to add the email, I'll just click on email, and then you see the email is added here at the bottom. Now here on the name, how it has the star like we talked about, you can click into here onto first name, and then you want to click on the gear icon for settings. Once you do that, this menu pops out here, and then you see this line right here, required field. It's in blue. That means that it is required. So we can actually just turn that off by scrolling this button over. Okay. Now you can see the star has gone away. So that is no longer a required field. Now, if you want to delete any of these fields, you can do that by just clicking in. So we'll see here, we have phone. Maybe we don't need the phone number, and it's going to complicate things for our user. So we can just click on the trash button here, and then you can see that that has now been deleted from our form. Okay, so that looks pretty good to me. So you want to click on save here on the top right. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and close this down. Okay, so here is the form that we have edited. Now we're not done yet. If your contact form looks good and you're ready to go ahead and keep it, you need to be sure to click publish here on the top right in blue. Okay, next you get this pop-up saying, congratulations, your site is published and live. So now my contact form is live on my website as we have designed it. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a contact form into your Wix website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.